హలో గైస్, ఈరోజు నేను మీకు ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్లో గ్రూప్స్ కానీ యూజర్స్ని కానీ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేయాలి, ఒక యూజర్ని ఒక గ్రూప్లోకి ఎలా యాడ్ చేయాలి అని చెప్పబోతున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ సర్వీసెస్కి వెళ్ళి క్లిక్ ఆన్ ఆల్ సర్వీసెస్, దెన్ గో టు ఐఎమ్ సోర్సెస్, ఐడెంటిటీ అండ్ యాక్సెస్ మేనేజ్మెంట్. Here click on IAM resources. Click on users. First you need to give some username. I am giving Girimonos as an user. Then click on add user. Specify user details, that means here Girimonos I am giving. Then I am giving access to from AWS management console also. He can Girimonos can log in. I want to create an IAM user. Then some password I need to give, auto generate password or custom password. I am giving some random password. It's like Manoj @123. Show password. It is showing Manoj @123. Then click on next. Then it is asking add user to group, copy permissions, attach policies, like that. Whatever the policies you need to attach. First we need to give him an administrative access, all administrative access. Then I am giving one S3 also. I will give simple storage service also. I am giving all complete access for Amazon S3 full access. After that I am giving Amazon S3 objects also. Then I am click on next. Now I am giving these are the following permissions to the username Girimonos. Then I am creating user. Now it is giving some instructions, that means username and password. Return to user list. If I am clicking, it will ask please download the particular data, that means username and password. Now username is created. Even I didn't download that username and password. Why? Because I only created, I remember that username and password. So if I want to now I am created an user. If I need to create an group, user group, here some in companies different teams will work on different projects. Then a few people comes under some if you take some different groups, like some people if you take as an integral branch, triple people comes under these users. ECE computers people will come under this branch, like that. Here also we need to maintain some groups. We need to give a name to that particular group. Here I am giving electronics as a group. I am click on create group. I am attaching policies to that particular group. Then click on the username. I am here also I am giving as an electronics only. Actually I can give electronics 123 here. this particular Girimonos is adding to this particular group. Now these are the services I attach to that particular thing. Then click on create policy. If you want to create a particular policy, then go to this particular thing. If you don't want, I think AWS already have some policies, better to go with that policies. Then click on create group. Now it is showing electronics 123 user group created. Then click on what are the permissions I given. It is showing here. Click on view group. You can easily see what are the group you are created. In that particular group who are added, Girimonos is added to this electronics 123 group. Then what are the permissions I given to Girimonos? Administrator access, power user access, read only access, AWS cloud formation read only access, cloud front full access. These are the accesses I given to the this particular user group. If I want to add one more user to, I want to create one more user. Add user, click on add user. Username must be some name. I will give Suresh 123. I am giving provider access to management control. Then click on next. I want to create a IAM user, that's why it is coming like that. I am giving as a custom password. I am giving password as Suresh @123. I am taking Suresh @123. Now I am clicking on next. Add user to group. Here it is coming electronics 123. Now I am adding this particular Suresh to that particular electronics group. What are the permissions I am giving? Now I am created one more username. Better I am downloading this .csv file. It's already downloaded. Now I am going to return to users list. Okay, here Girimonos is there, Suresh 123 is electronics. I already I need to add this particular Girimonos also to electronics group. It is showing as Girimonos is in the none category. I will go to users group, electronics 123. Now it is showing here as this Girimonos and click on add users. It's already added, that's why it is showing like this. Now I am going to users on user groups, then it is showing electronics 123 users 2 permissions already defined. This is the process. For explaining you, I will log in that Suresh in the synchronization tab. I am AWS console login. Log back in. I told as a user. What's the username I given? Suresh. Now it is asking the I am user and these things. I don't exactly remember the passwords. Now I am going to view that particular what is the username. Username is Suresh123. Password is here. It is directly it is giving console login. I simply copy this particular copy and open into that particular thing. In the synchronization tab I will give this particular address. Now it is going. It's already it is giving Suresh123 Suresh @123. It is asking to change me a password. What is the old password? Suresh. Why? Because I click on the user must be created after their first login. So I need to give here Suresh @123. Now I am giving again the new password. Suresh @1234. Again new password. Again I am entering Suresh 34. Confirm password change. Now I am login as a that particular user belongs to electronics 123 group. First now I am logged as Suresh 123 as a username. Whatever the SS I am given to that particular user, he can get SS here. Now I am launching a virtual machine. Actually I didn't give EC2 permission this particular user.